What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with a beautiful G81 M3 Touring and we are going to install a equal length X-Pipe hybrid from DCE parts. Car already has a single mid-pipe installed and we're going to try something different. The equal length mid-pipe together with the X-Pipe should give the car a higher pitched exhaust note, bringing it close to a single turbo-like setup. Of course, while keeping the original downpipes and the rear box, the car will already sound a lot better. It is of course not the same as a single turbo, which has a lot more turbo pressure, but the exhaust notes are tuned, so they will come close to that exhaust note. It is a plug-and-play install. It removes the OPFs and a lot of the resonators in between. Secondary cats will be removed, OPFs will be removed, and the middle box will be removed. So, together with the X-Pipe, the car will keep the deeper exhaust note while having higher pitch. Plug and play, so you do not need any braces for this mid-pipe, and of course the benefit of this mid-pipe is that you can keep the original back box, original look, so you do not see that the car has a different exhaust system under the car. So yeah, let's put the car on the lift and let's get started, and I'll also explain how the equal length mid-pipe works. So this is our unique DCE parts equal length X-Pipe hybrid system. It is designed to keep the higher pitch exhaust notes from an equal length while tailoring also a deeper exhaust note with the X-Pipe here. It is different compared to regular X-Pipe, and you will hear that in the videos later. It also includes the OPF sensors, so if you have OPF sensors that need to be connected for example, light module, then this is already facilitated. However, if you have US spec software on the car like this one, then this is of course not necessary. On this mid-pipe, we remove the left section, so I will showcase you that under the car just in a minute, but this connects to the downpipe. Normally there's another pipe that goes to there, and then they will meet somewhere around here. This one removes the left pipe, and of course with this extra curve in the pipe, you will get the extra length needed to make it equal length. So of course, before we start, we'll also let you hear how the single mid-pipe sounds. Also OPF delete also removes equally as much resonators and secondary cats. Showcase you how the single mid-pipe sounds, and then after, of course, how the equal length mid-pipe sounds.
Ja, je rijdt natuurlijk niet altijd vol gas, maar gewoon
Nee.
een beetje dit. Nou rijdt hij super relaxed.
Heel relaxed, ja.
Ja.
So there we are, back into the workshop. Happy with the results. The G81 sounds amazing. We also have a catback with the equal-length mid-pipe introduced very soon. We have it laid over here, lovely titanium catback. The full catback should sound even better, but we are so far really happy with the results on the G81 and G80 M3. So as you can see, the titanium mid-pipe is also similar to the stainless steel one, including the connectors. So for EU cars, this mid-pipe works perfectly fine. The one we got on the floor here is a resonated version. We're going to install this on a G80 M3 very soon, so we're super curious to hear how this sounds, of course. So here we have the titanium catback. As you can see, lovely matte titanium finish, similar curve in the mid-pipe. This one is resonated, also merges into a X-pipe. Also has the OPF sensors, so it is a plug-and-play install with the light modules if you need to. Of course, if you remap them, then generally you do not need them, but we do like to have them installed the OEM way. A little bit of a connection pipe here, and rear muffler. Similar to our F80, if you open the valves, which are located here, everything will go through the outer pipes, and the muffler will act as a resonator. If you close the valves, everything will of course go through the rear muffler here. So yeah, lovely design. Cannot wait to hear how this exhaust sounds. So I want to thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.